Hello, today we will guide you through how to overlay charts in ThinkorSwim. Overlaying charts lets you compare the movement of one symbol directly on top of another, so you can quickly spot relative strength, correlation, and divergences without flipping between windows. First, open the ThinkorSwim platform on your computer. Once it loads, look toward the very top of the platform for the Charts section in the main navigation bar. If you're in another workspace, simply switch over to Charts so we're all looking at the same place. Click Charts to bring up your main chart window. Make sure you're on the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. The overlay will follow whatever chart you're currently viewing, so choose a period, like 1 day, 1 year, or any custom range, that best fits your comparison. Next, head to the Studies menu near the top of the chart. Click Studies to open its dropdown. This is where ThinkorSwim keeps indicators and comparison tools. With that menu open, hover your mouse over, add Study to reveal the full list of available items. Scroll down to the bottom of that list and select Compare With. This option is designed specifically for putting another symbol onto your current chart. You'll see suggestions or sample symbols you can use right away. Click one of the sample choices to overlay it instantly on the same chart panel. When the overlay appears, you'll typically see it drawn as a line, using a different color from your primary symbol so it's easy to distinguish. If the scales look far apart, for example, a low-priced stock versus a high-priced index, that's normal. The Compare With study can normalize by percentage change in its settings, which makes comparisons more intuitive. Choose whichever view best supports the analysis you're doing. Also keep your time frame consistent when comparing, and remember that turning extended hours on or off can change how intraday comparisons look. If you want to tidy things up, you can edit the Compare With study to adjust the line color, thickness, or style so it's easier to see. To remove an overlay later, return to the Studies menu and delete the Compare With entry from your active studies. And if you need to compare more than one symbol, you can repeat the same Compare With selection to add additional overlays. Just be mindful of color contrast so the lines remain readable. That's it. You've opened Charts, accessed Studies, navigated to add study, chosen Compare With, and clicked a sample symbol to overlay. Practice this workflow a few times and chart comparisons will become a quick part of your analysis routine.